And we go to an item of news just coming in. A policeman was found dead at the Maypen police station this afternoon. The police constable was discovered dressed in his uniform in an office at the rear of the building. It appears he'd been dead for some time. Now, he was assigned to the transport department. Sources tell TVJ News that the scene is currently being processed and that the police commissioner has been briefed. TVJ News understands that counseling is being arranged for his colleagues at the headquarters for the Clarendon Police. And we'll have more details on this developing story in subsequent newscasts.